Namaskar, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Nowadays, keeping floor dust-free has become much easier with stick vacuum cleaners. But when it comes to mopping, most of us are still using the traditional method. And if you really think about it, traditional mopping has a few challenges. We are constantly dipping the mop back into the same bucket of dirty water and then spreading that water across the floor again. So sometimes it feels like we are not actually removing the dirt completely, we are just moving it around. On top of that, most of us use floor cleaners or chemicals every single time we mop. Now, one thing I have noticed is that more and more families today are becoming conscious about what they're using to clean their homes. If you have young children at home, you will know that they spend so much time crawling, sitting, and playing on the floor. And let's be honest, kids have a habit of putting their hands and sometimes anything they pick up straight into their mouths. The same concern applies to pet parents too. Pets are constantly walking, sitting, and often licking the floor. That's why many families are now looking for non-toxic cleaning solutions. But the challenge is that we often end up choosing between effective cleaning and chemical-free cleaning. So what if there was a way to get both? A mop that can steam clean, sanitize, and scrub your floors at the same time without requiring harsh chemicals. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. This video is made in collaboration with Shark. Shark is a global brand and America's #1 vacuum cleaner brand, and it has now entered the Indian market with its range of premium home appliances. Let's get started. Meet the Shark Steam and Scrub Mop. At first glance, it looks like a regular steam mop, but the biggest difference is these two rotating scrub pads at the bottom. Unlike traditional mops where all the effort comes from you, these pads continuously rotate and scrub the floor while you simply guide the machine. You also get an extra set of scrub pads in the box. So in total, you get 4 reusable scrub pads. The unit weighs around 4.3 kg and comes with a removable 350 ml water tank. Use only filtered water and avoid hard water as mineral buildup can damage the mop over time. It also comes with a long power cord, making it convenient to move around and clean larger areas without constantly changing power outlets. So just add water, plug it in, and you're ready to clean. No cleaning chemicals are required. The Shark Steam and Scrub offers 3 cleaning modes. Light mode is ideal for quick daily cleaning and dust removal. If your floors are already maintained regularly and just need a quick refresh, light mode works well. Normal mode is the one you will probably use most often. It provides a balanced amount of steam for everyday household cleaning. Perfect for removing footprints, dust, kitchen traffic marks, and regular daily dirt. For tougher messes in areas, deep mode increases the rotation speed for better scrubbing and gives a more intensive clean. If you have dried stains or heavier dirt accumulation, this mode definitely helps. Now let's talk about the most interesting feature, the steam blaster. There is a trigger on the handle. Whenever you encounter a stubborn stain, simply press the trigger and a concentrated blast of steam is released from the front. This extra burst of steam helps loosen sticky spills and stubborn marks without requiring excessive scrubbing. I can see this being particularly useful in kitchen and dining areas where food spills tend to dry up on the floor. In my house too, my son goes for football practice almost every day, and when he comes back with muddy shoes, those footprints often find their way inside. Cleaning them can sometimes be quite a task, especially once they dry. That's where the Shark Steam and Scrub Mop can be really helpful, as the combination of steam and rotating scrub pads makes tackling such messes much easier. In fact, it's so easy to maneuver that even older kids can help out with the cleaning. Traditional mops often require quite a bit of effort, especially when you're dealing with dried stains or sticky spots. We end up applying pressure, going over the same area multiple times, and sometimes even bending down to scrub manually. With the rotating scrub pads here, much of the work is done for you, making floor cleaning feel less tiring and more efficient. It also has the built-in LED lights which help reveal dust and dirt under furniture and in darker corners. Whether you have tiles, marble, stone, laminate, vinyl or sealed wooden flooring, this mop is designed to clean a variety of sealed hard floor surfaces around the home. What I like here is that the Shark Steam and Scrub uses the power of steam to help sanitize floors without requiring harsh cleaning chemicals. According to Shark, it removes up to 99.9% of common household bacteria when used as directed, which can definitely provide extra peace of mind. For families with young children and pets, that's a big advantage because you're not only cleaning the floor but also reducing the need for harsh chemicals on surfaces they come into contact with every day. Maintenance is quite simple as well. The mop pads are washable and reusable. So once you're done cleaning, simply remove them and clean, or you can toss them into the washing machine. The Shark Steam and Scrub is priced at Rs 17,999 and comes with a 2-year warranty. Service support is available across 330 plus cities in India, and if you purchase it from Shark website, you also get a 14-day money-back guarantee for added peace of mind. Now, of course, this is not a Rs 300 mop replacement. It needs a power outlet and a short heat up time before you start cleaning. And yes, it is an investment. But if you're someone who cares about cleaner floors, wants to reduce the use of cleaning chemicals, deals with oily kitchen messes, muddy footprints, pets, or simply wants a more effortless cleaning experience, then I genuinely feel the Shark Steam and Scrub is worth considering. It can also be a great option for senior citizens or anyone who finds traditional mopping physically demanding, as it makes daily floor cleaning much easier and less strenuous. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to simplify your space. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.